Welcome to this tutorial video on how to reset your DVR or NVR's login password. Let's get started. To complete this tutorial, you must have the following: your DVR or NVR is connected to your TV and both are turned on and visible. Your DVR or NVR is connected to your home network. Have access to a computer to download the SADP tool. Please note, the SADP tool is compatible with the Windows operating system only. For Mac users, please see the comments section below this video. To download the SADP tool, go to support.swann.com. In the search bar, type in SADP tool, then hit enter. Click the Installing SADP tool link, then click SADP tool to download. Follow the instructions here for assistance. When the download is completed, click the file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. When you run the SADP tool, you will see this screen. Your DVR or NVR will be automatically detected and displayed. If your DVR or NVR does not appear, check that your device is connected to your router using the supplied Ethernet cable. Press this button to reveal your MAC address. Scroll to the far right if you don't see it. This is your recovery code that is used to reset your password. Write this down without the dashes as shown in the example below. Now it's time to enter your recovery code on your DVR or NVR. Right-click the mouse, then click Menu. The login prompt will appear. Click the password dialog box and enter your recovery code. When finished, click OK. Your DVR or NVR will now reboot. When the activation screen appears, enter a new password. Use a password that you're familiar with but is not easily known to others. When finished, click OK. Write down your password for safekeeping. If the instructions in this video did not assist you in resetting your password, the firmware in your DVR or NVR may need to be updated. Please go to support.swann.com and click the Help Now button. This tutorial video is brought to you by Swann. Thanks for watching.